you know, I just met old Bob Sylvester, and what he had to tell me was plenty. That man knows everything about everybody.
You really think so?
I sure do.
Well, let me tell you about some folks you ain't tuned in on yet. Who gathers all the talk of the town? Who gives it to you, does it up brown? Who caters to the gossipy tribe? Dr. Heckle and Mr. Jibe. They corner each and all of the clues. They publish what soon become news. Live-wise, you had better subscribe to Dr. Heckle and Mr. Jibe. When there's room for argument, get out them hammer and tongs. They don't know from nothing, so they always wind up kicking the gong. Say if you want to hear 'em begin, just bring around a bottle of gin. Take a lesson on how to imbibe from Dr. Heckle and Mr. Jibe.